Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a kind of chill vlog because it's Sunday afternoon and I need to clean my house. And I was trying to think of a video to do for you guys, and I love watching people like tidy their house and clean their house. So I was like, well, I have to clean my house and I have to make a video, so that's what I'm gonna give you guys. I'm just gonna do it like a vlog style, so really casual, but I thought it would be kind of fun, and I don't know, they're like relaxing to watch and also very motivating because I always feel like I need to go clean my house after I've watched other people do it. I don't know, it's a weird effect. So basically I'm just gonna go room to room. I live in a 1-bedroom apartment, so it's pretty small. So being that it's pretty small, it's pretty fast to clean and also pretty fast to get messy. Like if a couple things are out of order, my apartment just feels messy to me. I'm I don't know, I'm not a neat freak, but I definitely like my house clean. Otherwise I like kind of feel anxious. So that's like the plus side and downsides of a small apartment. Easy to clean, but also very easy to get messy. So I do this, I would say, almost every Sunday, and then throughout the week I just do like little things here and there to keep things tidy. I'm gonna probably start in my bedroom because it seems to be the messiest. We just got back from a little weekend getaway, so we have suitcases to unpack, laundry, which is my least favorite chore ever. And so I'm just going to start in the bedroom. I'll kind of show you the products that I use in each room because I don't use the same cleaning products throughout the whole house, apartment, whatever. So yeah, we're going to start with the bedroom. Okay, so this is our room. We left for a day trip really early yesterday, so we didn't make the bed. And I feel like if you make your bed in the morning, your room just feels and looks so much nicer. So I definitely need to make my bed, and then there's just things that are not in the right order, and I need to dust and vacuum the room. And my room usually doesn't take that long because we honestly don't spend a ton of time in here. So this is the room I'm gonna start with. All right, so now we're ready to clean, and I'm basically just gonna start by making my bed and then cleaning up anything that's on the floor or on our dresser and stuff, and just get it all tidy. And then I'll go in and actually clean it with cleaning sprays and that kind of thing. Okay, so now I have everything cleaned up. I just have to go around and kind of wipe down any areas that are dusty or just need a good, cleaning off, like our dresser and stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do now, and this is my favorite part. I just feel like it makes the room feel so much cleaner and it smells amazing. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay, side note from cleaning, we are trying to save this poor plant that we kind of neglected over the holidays, and so we put it in like the best lit spot in the house, and we're just praying that it'll grow, but it's looking really sad. So if you're wondering what's going on with this plant, that's the story. Okay, now that everything is cleaned off and basically done, I'm just gonna end with the little room spray that I showed, or the linen spray, and then I'm gonna vacuum, and then we're on to the next room. And I'm sweating. Alright, so we're done with the bedroom and now we're in the living room, which our living room is pretty small and It usually is fairly clean, so it doesn't take that long. I am gonna keep it real. I did a little art project and it's on the floor still. But otherwise, I basically have to like fluff the pillows, and wiping down everything is probably what takes the longest. For this room, I basically will use the same cleaning products as I did in our bedroom. I will use like glass cleaner for the glass that we have, like our windows, and then mirrors and stuff like that, and then any other surface stuff I'll use the lavender spray. And I'll use the same Swiffer throughout the entire house and throw it out and use a new Swiffer the next time I clean. Yeah, I basically do the same thing in this house, or this part of the house. I will clean up everything, and then I will go through and wipe everything down and make sure everything's clean. And then I will move on to my kitchen, and then I do the whole floor because it's like all wooden floors, and so it's just easier to do like the whole thing at once instead of this like little section, because our living room is tiny. So I'm gonna go start cleaning up everything and it should be good. This is the living room. It's pretty sad right now. I need to like fluff everything on that couch, just clean off the table. I have like those little art prints. This thing gets so dusty, so I need to dust that off. And then like I told you, I was doing an art project, so I just have an X-Acto knife laying on the floor that I basically just stepped on. Really smart. Okay, hey guys. And then this area is basically just plants, and I will refold my blankets and stuff. But the living room, honestly, dusting this whole thing is pretty simple and goes pretty quick. I did want to show you guys, look at how much flipping snow we have on our balcony. Like, I don't know if that shows. I don't know, it's like 2 feet. I can't even open the door. It's just, I'm so over snow. It's unbelievable. Okay, done with the living room. Seriously, I'm so hot. I want to open my door, but I can't. Yeah, the living room is super simple. I'll show you guys. Okay, so this area is pretty much good. I normally do water my plants, but I just watered them yesterday, so they should be good for a little while. Then I did the couch. I still have to do the floors, and then I dusted this area. But yeah, looks pretty good. All right, so we're done with the living room and on to probably the worst room and the most important room of our entire apartment, which is our kitchen. It's connected to the living room, and it's the first room you walk into when you get to our apartment. So I feel like that room needs to be clean, otherwise our whole place kind of just like feels like a mess. So I don't like cleaning it, but I do it probably every single day just because it's like where we walk in, so we drop everything. Like we'll drop our keys or our work bags or our lunch bags. Like everything is just kind of like the catch-all for our entire apartment is our kitchen, and you'll see what I'm talking about when we go over there. So basically I'm going to clean up everything again and then do dishes, which I hate dishes, but they need to be done. So I'm gonna just time-lapse this whole thing because it will take forever for me to like go through everything, so enjoy that. So this is the kitchen right now. It's not terrible, but there's definitely things that need to be cleaned up. Like I said, we just like drop our bags. That's my backpack, and then that's a toolbox that I use to do my art project. You guys, I'm like a hot mess when I get into like an art project. I just like let shit fly everywhere. So yeah, I just got to like do some dishes and just kind of clean this whole area up. The vacuum. This is our little like desk area, which needs to be cleaned off. I hate when there's stuff on this desk, so I make sure that's usually clean. And yeah, I think we're just gonna get to it. Okay, so I'm basically done with the kitchen and living room now. I'll show you guys. It is pretty much done. I vacuumed and swept the floors. Dishes are done, thank God. And yeah, it looks pretty good. I did want to show you guys, this was the art project that I was working on earlier. It's not really a project, but my friend got me this print and I wanted to frame it, so that's what I was doing. And I put it in our bedroom, kind of next to the shelf thing that we have, but I think it's super cute and I love the colors of it. I like want to bring all these colors into my next house. Alright, we're on to the last room of our house, which is our closet, which I'm warning you guys is nothing special. It is honestly just kind of whatever. It's a normal like walk-in closet. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. The reason why the floor looks like it does is because we honestly just got home from a little trip today. So we have a suitcase on the floor and it kind of looks like crap. So I'm gonna put all that stuff away and then we're done cleaning the house and I'm so excited. So cue the little montage of me making this closet not look so crappy. I am all done cleaning the house, which feels amazing. And now I think I'm gonna go shower and just get cozy and enjoy the rest of my Sunday. And I hope this video either was relaxing or motivated you guys to do the same. But I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you aren't already. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.